Right, today we're going to see how to create a transparent text effect in Photopea. So the first thing I need to do is to duplicate this layer, right click on the layer, and then duplicate layer. And now I need to remove the background from this layer, so I'm just going to hide for now. Bottom layer, select the top layer, and then go to select, and then remove BG. So here you will need to watch an ad, so I'm just going to press OK. So here it is. And now I'm just going to right click on the raster mask, this one here, black and white, and then apply. And now let's show our bottom layer again. And now I'm going to select the type tool, left click here, and then select the type tool. The font I'm going to use is Anton. So for the size, I'm going to change it to 300 pixels. And now I'm just going to start typing. So here it is. Now I'm going to increase the size to 350. So double click here to select all text, and then here type 350. So here it is. And now I'm going to change this layer here to convert it. I'm going to convert it to a smart object so that I can resize it, transform it without losing quality. So I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to place it here like this. And now I'm going to transform it, go to edit, transform, and then select skew. And now I'm going to select this handle here, middle handle here on top, and then go down. So here like this to move it to the right. So I think here it's okay. And now I'm going to rotate it. So if I go here, as you can see, the cursor's changed. And now I'm going to rotate it a little bit like this. So here it is, and I'm going to move it. I'm going to replace it here like this. And now let's confirm the transform by click on this icon here. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, right click on it, and then duplicate layer. And now I'm going to place one of the layers under the women without the background, this one here. And for the top one here, I'm going to either right click, select blending options, or just click here on the layer style, and then here blending options. Now I'm going to move the window to the right here so we can see the effects. So now I'm going to reduce the fill here to 0%. So here it is. And now select the stroke, left click. And now you have many options here. You can choose the color of the stroke. So for example, red, I want it white. And here it's the position of the stroke. You can select inside, center, or outside. So I'm going to reduce the size of the outline. I'm going to select the 8. So here's the outside, here's the center, and here's the inside. So I'm going to leave to the inside. So here it is, and now just click on OK. And now, for example, if you want to, you can still move, for example, this layer here. If you select the outline layer, this one here, and then hold the Control key, and then left click on the second text layer, this one here, just select the move tool, and now if you move it, so here, as you can see, it looks kind of interactive. So here it is, and now I'm going to right click and then flatten image. So here it is. That's how you can create a transparent text effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.